Hi friends, how are you all doing today? I hope you all are doing well. Welcome back to our channel Namma Mane Aduge, which means food from our kitchen. Let's prepare something special in our kitchen today. Today we are going to prepare a non-veg recipe, and that is prawns ghee roast. So let us see what are the ingredients that we need. We will need prawns half kg, turmeric powder half teaspoon, coriander seeds 1.5 tablespoon, 8 dry red chilies which aren't spicy, 1 small lemon size of tamarind, 8 cloves of garlic, few coriander leaves, few curry leaves, oil 2 tablespoon, ghee 2 tablespoon, and salt as per taste. To begin with, I've already cleaned this prawns and cleaned this with water for around 3 times by adding some salt. You're seeing the clean prawns. Now I'm going to add a little bit of turmeric powder and mixing this well. I'm letting this to marinate until I prepare the masala for the prawns ghee roast. You can also add some salt and let it marinate. I am not adding salt here as I've already used salt while cleaning the prawns. Let us keep this aside. Now on a stove, keep a kadai, and once a kadai is heated, add some coriander seeds and fry this well. Roast them until it changes the color and also starts to crackle. As you see, the color has changed and also it has started crackling. Now I'm keeping this aside to cool down. Now I'm going ahead and dry roasting the red chilies. I will dry roast them until they are crisp.
I just wanna be happy tonight.
Now once the coriander seeds and the dry red chilies are cooled down, I will transfer them to a mixie jar. Along with it, I'm going to add tamarind, garlic cloves, little bit of turmeric, and around 2 tablespoons of water. Let us grind this into a fine paste. Now keep the same kadai over the stove and add 2 tablespoons of oil, and half tablespoon of ghee. Once the ghee is melted, let's add some curry leaves, and immediately I am going to add the grounded masala. Make sure that you keep the flame in medium while you add this masala. If you would like to watch any of my previous videos, I would request you to click on the I button that is displayed on the top right corner or on the link that is available on the description box of this video. Now mix the masala well and fry them for a minute or two. Now fry the masala well until the oil gets separated from the masala. Now let us go ahead and add some water to the mixie jar which had the remaining masala and pour this masala water to the kadai. Now let us go ahead and fry and boil this masala until the raw smell goes off and until the oil gets separated from the masala. Now once the masala is cooked well, I'm going ahead and adding the marinated prawns. Now let's mix the masala and the prawns gently. You might have had this prawns ghee roast many a times in a restaurant, but you might have never thought of preparing the same in your home kitchen. So today I'm going to show you how we can prepare this awesome recipe in your own home kitchen with few ingredients. Now let us go ahead and add some salt if required. Let us cover this with a lid and let these prawns cook for around 5 minutes in medium flame. Make sure that you do not overcook the prawns, as the prawns gets harder if it is overcooked. After 5 minutes, let's go ahead and open the lid and mix it well. Now let us go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of ghee. Mix it a little bit and close this with a lid and leave it on the flame for around a minute in low flame. This will enhance the flavor of our ghee roast. After a minute, I will go ahead and turn off the gas and then add some chopped coriander leaves. Now I'm immediately closing this with a lid so that the aroma from the coriander leaves and ghee enhances the flavor of prawns ghee roast and turns out to be a fantastic prawns ghee roast, which we usually get from a restaurant. As you see, this is how simple, quick and delicious it was to prepare prawns ghee roast in your home kitchen. If you are also a prawns lover, do like this video, and for more recipes, do subscribe to our channel Namma Mane Aduge. If you like my video or if you try this recipe, I request you to hit the like button, and if you have any suggestions, please drop them under the comment section. If you would like to see more simple, quick and tasty recipes from my kitchen, I request you to subscribe to our channel Namma Mane Aduge and hit the bell icon. And also, please do not forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Bye.